What you got there, Pumpkin? Is that your blanket? Is that your blanket? Huh? Is that your blanket? Are you carrying your blanket around? Is that your blanket? Huh? You're not supposed to have that blanket, are you, Pumpkin? That blanket's supposed to stay in your bed, Pumpkin. Yes, it is. Here, give me your blanket. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Pumpkin, no. Yeah, give me a blanket. No. You have your blanket again? Do you have your blanket again? Come on. Give me your blanket. Give it to me. I got it. I got your blanket. I got your blanket. Come on, let's go put it back. Come on. Go put it back in your bed. Come here. Come on. We're going to put your blanket back in bed. Yes, put your blanket back in bed. See? There you go. It's in your bed now. What can you do? No. No, ma'am. No, you know you're not supposed to have that, don't you? That's why you run away. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.